Dear students, good morning. How are you? I hope that you are fully well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Thank you, everybody. My name is Mustaq Ahmed Chaudhary, senior teacher for a secondary school, Dhamalia, Dumriya, Khulna. Going to my main topics, I want to give you some information about today's class. Actually, we were out of class from very long time for the problem of killing virus COVID-19. In spite of some problems, our present government has set up some rules for taking class so that the students can get benefit from this class. So dear students, today I have set up my topics especially for the students of class 7. Today's my topics is transformation. Actually there are many subparts of transformation and degree is also a subpart of transformation. For this reason I have set up today's topics especially for the class 8 student degree. So going to my main topics, we have to know what is the meaning of transformation. What is the meaning of transformation? Dear student, transformation means transform from another position to another position without changing meaning. There will be no change the main meaning of the sentence, but outside of the sentence will be changed. That is called transformation. And degree is also the part of transformation. So my today's topics is degree. Dear students, so going to my main topics degree, we have to know what is degree. What is degree? Degree means compare. Degree means compare. So what do you mean by degree? When we compare anything with any body or anything, then it is called degree. Then it is called degree. There is a very important matter that what is degree? It is my personal comments that degree means the play of adjective. Degree means the play of adjective. That means where there is no adjective, it is not possible to transform as a degree. So if we can turn or transfer degree, must will have to degree there. Dear students, so now come to the main topics degree. So kinds of degree. Dear students, how many kinds of degree? There are 3 kinds of degree, such as positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. How many kinds of degree? There are 3 kinds of degree: positive, comparative, superlative. Dear students, at first we have to know what is positive degree. What is positive degree? Positive means himself. Positive means myself. No compare with other. No compare with other. When there is no compare with other, then it is called positive degree. If I write an example on the board, it is very clear too. Look at the board. Rakib is a good student. Here Rakib is only one person. Rakib doesn't compare with other. Only Rakib is a good student. It is a positive degree. And good is an adjective. So it is positive degree. Next, comparative degree. Comparative means compare with another. Compare with another. When any compare with 2 things, with 2 parts, with 2 countries, with 2 men, then it is called comparative. Just like if I write an example on the board, it will be very easy to you. Dear student, Rakib is taller than Khadija. Rakib is taller than Khadija. Already I have written 2 persons' name here. One is Rakib and another is Khadija. in this sentence I have compared with two persons, Rakib and Khadija. So it is comparative degree. So it is comparative degree. Now I can go superlative degree. Superlative means compare among more than two. Superlative means compare among more than two persons. When we compare anything among the last position, among the big position, among the all around the world, then it is called superlative degree. Then it is called superlative degree. I have written a sentence here. Rakib is the tallest boy in the class. Rakib is the tallest boy in the class. In this sentence, I have described Rakib among the other students of the class. In this sentence, I have described Rakib among the other students of the class. So it is the last position, it is the big position. So it is said that it is a superlative. It will be very easy to you for understanding if we follow a chart. A chart. Dear student, look at the chart. Number 1, positive degree. Number 1, positive. Number 2, comparative. Number 3, superlative. So, before I have told you that where there is no adjective, it is not possible to turn into degree. So, if I follow some example here, dear student, I have written tall. Tall is an adjective. Tall is an adjective. So tall, then taller, then taller, then superlative tallest. But there is an important thing there. Tall is an adjective, and also here is set of extra with tall adjective. And then tall est also have set up with adjective tall. So tall, taller, tallest. What is the difference among this degree? First number only main adjective, then second number year, then third number est. So what is the symbol of positive? As. Both of the side of adjective has been set up as. And there is also another symbol of comparative degree than any other. And there is also an exceptional example or symptom of superlative degree B. Dear student, always remember that every superlative degree, before the every adjective must will be set up D. You can see clearly the tallest, the biggest, the wisest, est, because it is the single syllable. It is the single syllable. In every single syllable adjective, adding with er, comparative, adding with est, superlative. So another example, big, bigger, biggest. So big is an adjective and both of the side big has been set up as. So as big as is the symbol of positive. And bigger, ear is also the symbol of comparative degree than any other, is also the symbol of comparative degree. The biggest, this is the symbol of superlative, est is the symbol of superlative. As like this, as wise as, wiser than any other, the wisest. So wise, wiser, wisest. It is the important matter that. So if we go the next example, beautiful. So beautiful. Dear students, beautiful is not a single syllable. It is one more syllable. Beautiful. So when we get any single adjective syllable, then we can add er or est. But if any one more syllable, any kinds of adjectives such as beautiful, wonderful, excellent, dangerous, these kinds of adjective is one more syllable. For this reason, it is not possible or there is no rules for after this beautiful est. Then we have to set up before beautiful more, before wonderful more. So more is also the symbol of comparative. More is also the symbol of comparative. the most beautiful. So I have told you before that these always will be set up before the superlative degree. So most beautiful, as beautiful is one more syllabus. For this reason, most must will be set up before the beautiful, and it is also the symbol of superlative. So dear student, already we have got innumerable examples or innumerable symptoms of various kinds of degree. So what are the symbols or what are the symptoms of positive degree? As tall as big as wise as beautiful as wonderful as. All of them are the symbol of positive degree. Then comparative degree, taller, bigger, wiser, more. All of the sentences after adjective than any other, than any other, than any other, than any other, than any other. In this way, the tallest, the biggest, the wisest, the most beautiful, the most wonderful. This is the best example of these three kinds of degree. So there is also some exceptional example of these degrees. As like this, sometimes we can see some words very few in the very beginning of the sentence. When we see very few beginning of the sentence, then it is also the symbol of positive degree. And as usual, we have set up than any other, but sometimes we can see than most other, So very few and then most other is interrelated. There is also example on of the. So on of the is also the symbol of superlative. It is usually set up after verb. Now we can say easily one of the, then most other, and very few. Very few is the symbol of positive, then most other is the symbol of comparative, one of the is the symbol of superlative. So among these words are interrelated. On the other hand, sometimes we can see then all other in lieu of than any other. When if any time after adjective we can see offer. In lieu of all in comparative degree, we will use then all other. Remember, than any other, than most other, than all other are fully difference of these degrees. At the time of completing or at the time of transfer of this degree, you have to remember or you have to follow the sentence. Dear students, this is the best example or this is the best start for learning degree. No other in generally is set up in the very beginning of positive degree. Now I will write on sentence and you will try to guess what kinds of degree. Dear students, look at the board. Bangladesh is the biggest country of the world. I have written one sentence. Bangladesh is the biggest country of the world. Actually, Bangladesh is not biggest, Bangladesh is the smallest, but I have written here. So, what kinds of degree it is? Who can say? Yes, it is the superlative degree because big is adjective, and after adjective it has been said biggest. So, est is the symbol of superlative degree, and B is also the symbol of superlative. So it is clearly said that it is superlative degree. Another example, Dhaka is bigger than any other city in Bangladesh. So, dear students, bigger here is the symbol of comparative degree. and than any other is also the symbol of comparative degree. So fully we can say that it is comparative degree. As like this, if we follow in these rules or of this rule, it will be very easy to understand today's topics, the part of transformation degree. Dear students, I hope that you have already clearly understood that what is degree and how many kinds of degree, and it is the sort of degree. So by this learn or by this class, you will be benefited. It is my hope that. Last, I am very thankful to Allah for giving you some suggestion about this matter, and it is very reminder to you that already we are facing some killing virus problem, COVID-19. So it is my earnest request to all of the students, not only Muslims but also other religious students, especially all of the Muslim students must will pray to Allah in 5 times in every day, and you will try to keep from any kinds of pollution, any kinds of noisy pollution, and always you will pray to Allah for this problem. No more today. Thank you very good. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.